Well, good morning, folks. Another great day and back at Hole in the Ground. This trip is a little different because I'm not just passing through for an overnighter. I'm staying here for several days. A couple of factors in that is obviously the price of gas. And the second thing that's going on is, well, I'm waiting for some friends to arrive. We got the unknown Idaho friend. He'll be arriving today. And then we have the unknown California friend arriving tomorrow. So it'll be quite a mix. We're going to sit here and enjoy the view, catch up on old times, and of course we'll be eating good food and drinking good coffee. Now it's been a gorgeous morning here. I woke up just a little after 6 and the sun was just starting to pop up. Cool little cloud cover down in the crater, and ever since then everything's just been getting more gorgeous and more gorgeous. Now it was pretty cold last night. I think it was maybe about 20 degrees Fahrenheit. I broke my thermometer, so I'm not really sure exactly what it was, but things were frosty and you could step outside and just in moments my hands are almost numb. But hey, a couple of cups of hot coffee, the sun coming out, no complaints here.
Taking 3 up and I'm gassed. I took 2 at once. That was a bad idea because I'm like this. So I took 1 that time and I'm still going. I'm supposed to be retired. I'm supposed to be a logger.
I think you're right though. Maybe trying to carry 2 at a time is a little ambitious.
Yeah, I found that out for you.
While this spot was an incredibly stunning place to be, it was made even better with the company of old friends. And once our small group was complete, I realized that I needed to just put the cameras down for a while and enjoy the moments. We managed to do a lot of catching up, telling old war stories, as well as making some new memories. Now, we had planned to stay here for at least 3 or 4 nights, but unfortunately the persistent chill wind convinced us that we needed to move along after just 2 nights. Daytime wasn't too bad, but once the afternoons wore into evening, the biting wind returned. We did manage a campfire one night, and a great fire it was, but the rest of the time was just too windy to safely enjoy a decent fire. We decided to seek calmer surroundings and reluctantly left our spectacular views behind. There were other spectacular views though, cross country out of Christmas Valley, we stopped for a visit at Fort Rock and enjoyed the panorama of high plains, sandy basins, sprawling valley vistas, and rugged cliffsides, with plenty of opportunities to test the vehicle's suspensions. Hello kids! Hello kids! Actually, I've been back on these back roads here for what, 4 or 5 nights now, and I'll be honest with you, I just haven't quite gotten into the mood for a lot of camera work. I've taken some photo stuff, some video stuff, but it was just kind of like a little bit of off time. And I met the unknown Idaho friend, met the anonymous California friend, Northern California friend, and we're just checking out a couple of roads back here, see if we can find a place to camp. Our intent was to just spend a whole bunch of time at Hole in the Ground, but it was pretty windy there, and the forecast was for the wind to get stronger, 25 miles an hour. We just kind of thought, well, let's see if we can find a place just a little bit more sheltered. So we came down in through Christmas Valley, fueled up there, topped off the fuel tanks, stocked a little bit more water. Got something to eat there at the Ranch Hand Cafe. Really good. So we've been to Hole in the Ground a lot of times, and I still enjoy the place. It's fabulous. But we're just going to try out something a little new and see if we can find a good place to camp back here. And I see a little lake or something on the map, so have a quick look at that. The old suspension's getting a workout right now. I guess I better shut up for a little while, concentrate on dodging all these rocks and potholes. Not complaining, just making an observation here. We wandered the high, rocky plains for a while before finding our lake in the National Forest, where we enjoyed yet another fabulous campsite. A brisk evening found us in front of a toasty campfire, steak dinners all around, with stories to tell. Our final morning greeted us with a dusting of beautiful fresh snow. Of course, we had some firewood left over, so it was perfect for standing around over hot coffee and yet more storytelling. Once the fire was done and we'd exchanged our parting insults, it was time to head out and go our separate ways. All in all, this was the adventure we needed, and what trips like this are about. Leaving the stress behind for a while and sharing the peace of the back roads with friends. I'm ready to go again when you are. Just want to thank you guys for making this a great adventure. It's been great. Didn't spend a lot of time with the cameras, but just having y'all around to share some old times, tell some stories. Thanks for showing up. And thanks to the rest of you for watching, and we'll see you guys again out on the back roads.
I say we leave them here and bring them up as we need them. You got plenty of them there already.
Remember, there's no such thing as a stupid question. Only stupid people who ask them.
Stupid people with black eyes.
Yep. Oh, you're right in my camera shot.
Huh? Oh. Take two.